for GC News, Mima Obibia Akwaba, Hadia latest and hot news, and Eramede Bremo. And it is a winner subscribe to channel idea, Bomodia say, Obe subscribe. The Obeana say, Obe click the subscribe button. Now, wabele notification. We understand new video be upload on when the first person I want sa Ebeka ASR video. I feel we are not like video, give us a thumbs up now. Share my offer for us. So now when you be here now and somewhere ekoso ewo Ghana memoanum afi yembura ye and somewhere abeto yepno so story bi abetudwa Ghana web in Simbia tudwa ye chese temahabo GRA custom division na wana intercept ammunition just will be a true ene ahuniema bebre ama wane saka saa niema ina yem share story na yem share and somewhere security expert bisu edi tudwa FIA sansebia ababe PM no yeni kan hwe story no na fe hwe Ghana for so reaction Ghana for ka ho sempa inti hwe ono so wane sema wane de tudwa yeni kan hwe story na answer say seizure of ammunition at Temaport spark massive reaction on social media. Now Okan story say the seizure of 53 pistols, 74 magazines and 65 live rounds of ammunition concealed in a suitcase by the custom division of the GRA Ghana Revenue Authority at Temaport has sparked grave concern among Ghanaians ahead of the election. Echibiana akana kakrebi na chese yakotoaba na ohwena insensem bi se PP sa na isa magana fododo na mabohu na chese woni nyina suru enchibiana ye Sammy Gyamfi di nsem bi betudwa ye kanalo poku a o chese ya paki tu a chese ya bone paase obuame ntimi wi abene bipifo ntimi wi abene na bipifo ninkunim ensem bebre PP mu na asem wesu asa betom di na chese magana fododo na abohu sa hwe ye abatu e baso yi na basabasa bi atimi atwiniti na otu ansem so say this has caused Temaport to trend on X on Thursday November 21st 2024 na just say Temaport na trended by the Ghana for na eka ehonsem or say the custom division of the Ghana Revenue Authority on November 20th 2024 seized a 40-foot container at Temaport numbered MEDU 4496951, which was shipped from the United States. Now say yes, I container almost ship free US. And one day by say the shipment falsely declared as containing vehicles and personal effects was intercepted on November 4th, 2024, following a thorough investigation by the GRA Intelligence and Preventive Unit. Now say container one day by and one share castle where a car and a woman and a near be. But one year investigation when we hear one who says Sena Etuni Adiene Boom. Commissioner of Custom Brigadier General Zibrim Ayorongo confirmed the development, stating that arrests have been made and investigations ongoing to uncover the full details of the shipment and its intended recipient. I just say Nipa was shipped by one so Jiniamano Omuguswa 1 year. Bepem na story we ba bonti nya hu se asumisi anasa obintin na aship ni amano e de aba na nipa asumisi se na edi ni amane komano bibia se nya emba bontin na no na Ghana fu bebre na e ka ehun sem o share some of the comment among for make you on X we say a son of Elizabeth or say am I the only one who believes certain things should be kept away from the public, general public? The gun seized at Temaport should have been kept from the general public. Whoever is behind this should be arrested because I believe every cargo has an importer info. Ghanaians have to give thanks to Sammy Gyamfi for exposing Brigadier General Michael Opoku and IGP Dr. Dampare. I said Dr. Dampare must arrest Brigadier General Opoku, who knows this consignment intercepted at Temaport might be part of his babies in his household. Dr. Dampare should do blah 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 blah. Now yen share ye video no abra one who UTV one could try yen share video no efa sa ye etu ho aboba ni sa na ya abepiem yen share video no commentary be ni video na chi as a conversation be with but share that yeah isa aboba na bi no and the Google Now it's a pistol, and I should share here. I heard a story now. I say 53 pesos. There is a pesos, you know, any. No, not just we need a year pesos. One a cover. A year one intercepted a water my port and I quite simply Bragana for the donor air can and some found. Now you could see a year brandimni barco our no so story way a better abontino or the and simbi atuja found. Inti a year ninsama what they tuya yenti ninsama.
Dr. Farouk Al Wahab yenin komo kakra. Reporter Yensakano Enra said the Custom Division of the Ghana Revenue Authority ISCZ bears 53 pistols, sidearms, and 65 pieces of live ammunition, 74 magazines, and other we are Ekeka Kahon, was the Golden Jubilee Terminal, yeah, what my port. Ebinum say a cause a calling for worry. It means one of those idea no, even though with or without elections, cranny see any idea. But minim Wako obi a unim de wo ahobambo won sem konkan no as I say o mine no ye worried kakra.
Okay, first of all, one would say that a concern. There is nothing to be worried about. Country here to know the security profile. And I think the mistake that the country is making, sir, we always try during the election, and I say, election we unnecessarily overheat the security port. And when you overheat the security port, it gives you the country herself fears. And then you allow people to be fears mongering needlessly. And it's saying that GRA and then the customs preventive, not this one, the preventive division of the customs cannot tell you and tell me, sir, over the period, within the year or years, from 2020 post-election, almost a casting of weapons, and now we're moving. About all these weapons, and in the crucial land guards, all these weapons, and then the individuals, and the police, and chemical register, and man, these boys are mutredi, and now people be a moving woman. No. They bring the weapons from United States of America. The good drums, the Daniel Gusto, the good cars, customs in there be American sometimes containers nearby almost can't know metal detectors no more in Yamano, no more in and they chase whoever shipped and arrest them. But to say, Ghana, area with open 9 millimeters, open 12 mm, Ubenya the creator on the streets of Accra. Sad guns, if you come for UK, if you come for Yugoslavia, if you come for US, if you come for Canada, it finds a way and comes to Ghana, Nigeria, all over. Chirame, Ghana, he found a pump pistol. Chirame Kumase, who is a licensed arms dealer or president in church name is Tom. Of our your politicians now, Naman, Obia or pistol, Ashana Castle. Where did they buy it? When did they officially import it? And a DHR they buy our license here. Please, some of us we understand. National Security Minister, Mr. Kandapa, the military intelligence, that is the MI, CID boss, and then IGP, police. And then we have the National Security Coordinating Council. And your war, the Committee on Security, our Parliament. Your immigration security, your customs, and your prison services, and your fire services. The security company or the security community of Ghana. Aka 20 days. I stand to be corrected. Near elections.
Aka 16 days.
16 days. Almost for country security profile. The country security profile. When you do the security profile alert, there are 3 lights. 3 lightning system. You were amber, yellow. You were red, and you were green. Until do election year, you the security minister with your security and the coordinating council in Atinase. So they are dangerous. Until you are lifted from the green zone, you are yellow.
Okay.
Until that trigger to red. Unless it's already red, lower side. And what are we doing? We haven't heard anything. Let me tell you, Ghana, and listen to me, we don't have any issue with security. Our biggest issue is not about information gathering. We have good security system to gather information. But for the information we are gathering, we have the poorest information processing.
Okay.
So there's a difference between gathering information hugely. But when you process information, Ghana honey information, it will not be processed before say the news media. Even when the National Coordinating Security Council acts with the National Security Minister, now the subject, or other media houses. So it means that the way you process your information, and when I'm Ghana CID, police fortunately, you see a Kwaku criminal no, now will be a friend. No, so you gather the information, say criminal or higher question. But then the processing or handling that information, it has been leaked. So let me tell you, under President Kopo in 2004, the most wanted person in Ghana, most wanted man in Ghana, the nation voted Sika. Edema then Kofi Boakye, Greater Accra Regional Commander. Commander, he was ASP or ACP, Kofi Boakye. Sika the man had only 500 cities to arrest Ghana most wanted persons. Atai. So Ghana don't have, as a country, you need one fugitive. Our border Togo, or your most wanted, your penalty, Yenibi. Ghana need one former president, our SDI, your man my ekrum, and you 2. 3. Ghana need group of individuals or persons, Omuti Bush identified, Kumase, Mampon, Ekwaye Bim, and our forest Bima. Omuye what is called vigilante, Omuye extremism, Omuye Haida, Omuye ISIS, Omuye Boko Haram, Omuye Ansawad, Omuye Ansadin, Omuye Al-Maghreb, Omuye, all this kind of either extremism, separatism, vigilantism, or bandit. Ghana hasn't got one single bandit group in the forest of Ghana. What does it tell you? So we have it green belt of a country in terms of security. 2, you need anything like a blue beret or blue jacket from the United Nations, our presence of Ghana. No one single UN army, our share blue beret, and that's a blue jacket, or what because there's a crisis. And you want 40 million populated country, Ghana. You need one single prisoner, our any cell or police station, because say, or your MPP, PCP, TCQ, Al-Qaeda, or your president, Chada, or whatever party, or Najib, from the Fourth Republic, 8 government, before 9 governments. Hear me? One single person, was jail sentence because of the party affiliation. And not all. Your criminals, your ministers, your chief executives, your politicians, your lawyers, your judges, any your top hierarchy government officials, Oman Ditika, Oman Sika openly. Yate so prosecutor or whatever. Chairman one. Odaji. Chairman one. So therefore, we need vigilante group or bush. We need separatist group or bush. We need extremists or bush. We need protestants or bush. We need bandits or bush. We need Al-Qaeda or bush. We need ISIS or bush. We need Daesh or bush. We need Lord Resistance Army or bush. We need any form in a country. With security, there politicians and media. Se case in the bar. The patrol. So those people claim say security expert. Contracts internet sir, and Ghana is having a problem and cyber security. I have nonsense. Cyber security cannot blow any country up. Cyber security cannot blow any country up, and it has never happened. Back home in Ghana, the only long-standing issue back up, Alabanyo in Konya for 25 years. Nipa kontokwa ni omu ni 12. Enu kwa Ghana ha mintimi nkopatai. Tia abofre enu omu di ku uwem ho. Pan na support. Enu ya one. Case scenario pending issue. Ghana spending about 55 to 60% of the security budget every year. Ewa boko. Na mamimita said, even boko. It is restricted to Kusashi Mampusi. What is a frapper Nibia Kokubi? What is a Wale Nibia Kokubi? What is a Dagati Nibia support to Mampusi? What is a Dagwani? Be said, your name Mampusi, Romy a Muslim, Kusashi, a Muslim. What is Ubiako support? What is a Kanyaga Kwako Kahun? What is a Wangara Kwako Kahun? What is a Bimoba Omako Kahun? What is a Gonda Wako Kahun? What is a Nanumba Kwako Kahun? What is a Konkoma Kwako Kahun? It is restricted to what? The two tribes. And it is restricted to the two kings and the two gates. So this is the situation the state, if not politics, they should be able to solve it because Boko cannot have an escalation. Defense Minister, Anti-Mechanism said, Boko said you can't say national issue. Yes, and your national crisis. A national issue because the budget now, SM Kadiko Western region, Eco protected Western region. Because only what the highest economic pool of the country. We go to fuel, or diamond fuel, or cocoa fuel, or oil fuel, or bauxite fuel. What is about Western region? Obi Chingram so oku. Na yenshe womu. Now come to Asante region, the second economic country or supporting the national income. Them the Asante bush, and will be kontokwa. Then the third that contributes is Eastern region. What contributes to Eastern region? Then you come to Greater Accra, the city proper, as a contributing economy and then the income based on taxes. Greater Accra, and the Rollins regime in the 90s, early 90s. Teshi Nungwa, starting to Omuye, Sevins and War, Osu Anko, Osu Blohoma Anko, Bubu Ashi Anko, Yakuma Anko, Chokwa Anko, Ubianko Kubia Mawomo, and Romaja Womusum. You get it? So in the order of giving the national income, Western region, any country or culture say, a city, they are per se Switzerland. And Ashanti region because one or kingdom that open Swaziland in Bambane, as in South Africa, and I say is Swatini in South Africa. Do we have any known rebel leader? That is for the Sanko in Sierra Leone. Ghana army to come and tell me, with my understanding of security, said almost 5 uniforms are here. The officers, no more question them. Ghana police to come and tell me, said the 30 uniforms are here, officers 5 and not 30 ahead of the election. Oma bucket to put you know. You'll be sad. And immigration tell me, said, home officer be your border, home the trade and your womb. Can customs tell me, sir, home officers be the trade and your womb? And if a country has this background, and our goods and our forest and our land, it doesn't belong to Ghana government. Baby a president, a year flat type house, assassin Ghana government here. What height? Owusu Castle, and your Ghana government here. What height? So traditionally, naturally, the whole Ghana, the land is a true land. And the Sioux belongs to the chiefs and queens. And then they divide the land to your friends saying, home subjects. It's why Ghana, it is not like Cote d'Ivoire, assassin Abandia. It is not like Togo, assassin Abandia. It is not like Burkina Faso. It is not like Mali. It is not like Niger. It is not like Algeria. It is not like Somalia. It is not like Ethiopia. It is not like Eritrea. It is not like Kenya. Into be a fan of what you call Bushman or yes, rebellion. Ghana or rebel leader. And see, Ofono Sanko, a rebellion, I was Sierra Leone as a sergeant in the army because he raped somebody. Yeah, Penachin or Kotsina William. Or Kono in Kalan district. And Robenia, a certain Charles Taylor, only Ben Johnson, no more rebellion activity in Liberia. And no more joining here, Tanya Mana, leading to genocide. It is not Habriana Wuye or Rwanda. I believe your friend is the Rwanda leader. Genocide. Hutu, any Tutsi, any Bakuyan. We don't have that. And then you come down to talk about what gives this kind of history. What tribal marriage? Ghana is the first in the whole world. The warrior across every tribe. Basa. Why Nigeria has a peculiar case? Igbo ni unworry Yoruba. Yoruba unworry Igbo. In a rare circumstances, a bit messy. Igbo unworry Hausa. Hausa unworry Igbo. The softness kakra and there will be a one Igbo Yoruba Muslim or worry Hausa Muslim. So look at the tribal settings, what demarcations, frontiers, and barriers. So there is a heat. So if there is a group called the Ogoni from the eastern part of Nigeria, and if there is a group called Boko Haram in Bauchi, so when you look at this, the country has its own extremist issue.
Right.
We need to be asawa.
Yeah.
And Chisamoko who are 20, 50. The GRS will deal with it. This matter, they don't have press conference of it. They are weak.
Okay.
They don't need to have press conference of this to throw unnecessary dust. Over the years, they don't need to imagine or airport war.
Debbie.
If I talk about the back, I'm dealers to Oklahoma. Okay, they should tell us that some weapons to the good Nima. We'll call see a pump action, we'll go to Niman. Why no license in the back? How did the pump action come to Ghana? And then Nima, and then making the pump action, Mark or register. Oh, Nima, do they ask me where I get it from? They should give us a brief. We don't have any security concern.
Right. And Doc, Anopai Medawasi, Ewo Bra Wenya Ede Amai. I think watch it to the extent that so we are grateful this morning.
I'm forever grateful. You see, we security first and on better radio so cancer. One country say they don't understand. There's no country that has that kind of peaceful record. Togo only government. Because Ayadema only as we speak only cabinet. That country were vulnerable. Obetimanya Itu. Cote d'Ivoire, Alassane Ouattara, after the 3 times now there's a heat. Mali on a problem. There were other forms of governments in the African continent. We use Zambia, we use Botswana, we use Namibia, we use South Africa itself, and in some few frontline states. As we speak, Mozambique here in the election on the 9th of October.
Okay.
When do we have that? We don't have any forms of that. And what is the concern now? Yakobu Kashe, 30 million populated nation. We have press conference.
Yo, waiting for winning and summer about beto yepno so make out so when you subscribe to channel ya bomodi say over subscribers and say hadia latest and hot news in kwa enamide bremo. I feel we are not like video like the video na share my for so now when you be here now who and somewhere also Ghana mema also bit me archer wadwen afa eye and some way nyina ho ewo comment box ni mu mobati minkabium in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.